Affiliate marketing is a very simple business model, yet many people struggle with it. So how does affiliate marketing with System.io work? What is affiliate marketing anyway? And how much can you make with it? If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, let me give you this quick 2-sentence explanation that I used in another of my recent videos. Affiliate marketing is a business model in which you promote products or services from other people or companies, and when there's a sale, you earn a commission. At the same time, affiliate marketing is all about trust and building relationships, if you want to do it right and in an ethical way. So what we need to do now for this video is to distinguish between two types of affiliate marketing with System.io. One, affiliate marketing by System.io, and two, affiliate marketing using System.io. Let's start with the first case. Affiliate marketing by System.io means that you earn commissions directly from System.io. This is the case when you promote and sell any of the System.io products, for example, any of their paid monthly or yearly plans, or any of their various courses. At the time of recording, the System.io affiliate commission rate is at 60%, which means that you get to keep 60% of a sale, which is amazing. So let's say, for example, that you get someone to sign up to the annual System.io startup plan, which is only $228 for an entire year. Of those $228, you will then earn $136 every year, plus lifetime commissions on all additional sales. This means that if that same person who signed up to this annual plan will later upgrade to a higher System.io plan, you will get 60% of that sale too. The same if they later purchase a course from System.io. You will get 60% of that too. And if they sign up to a monthly instead of a yearly plan, you get 60% of their subscription payment every single month. I hope you see the potential here. We'll get back to how you actually get people onto System.io to begin with. But now let's first look at the second case I mentioned. Affiliate marketing using System.io. This means that you earn affiliate commissions not from System.io, but from promoting and selling other third-party products, and you do this using sales funnels, landing pages, email marketing campaigns, etc. that you've built and set up on System.io. So how do you find products to promote? Well, there are so many ways to do that for both physical and digital products. You can simply use Google to find affiliate programs of products. You can browse affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, etc. Or you can just think about all the tools you use on a daily basis and check if they offer an affiliate program. I actually made an entire video about affiliate marketing in general. I'll link to it up here. It's a valuable video, but it's a bit older, so please bear with me. One of the most famous and popular affiliate programs is the Amazon Associates program. If you link to an Amazon product and then someone buys it after clicking on your link, you will earn a commission from Amazon. However, the thing with Amazon is that their affiliate commissions are extremely low. That's why the best products to promote as an affiliate are digital products that are based on a subscription model, which is the case with most tools today. This not only gives you monthly recurring commissions, digital products also have much higher commission rates than physical products. Let's make a concrete example. A few days ago, I first heard of this tool here called Submagic. It's a brilliant tool to add these viral Alex Hormozy or Gary Vee style captions to your short form content. Simply upload your video and let the magic happen. Everything is done automatically in minutes. Adding the captions, the animations, and oh, the emojis get added based on what you actually say in the video. Magic, or actually AI. So yes, it's a great tool that is based on a subscription from which I could earn monthly recurring commissions. Naturally, I immediately signed up to their affiliate program on their website, and that's it. I can now create content around this product to get people to use my affiliate link. I can send out an email to my list telling my audience about this cool tool that I found. I can add a link to my link page or my resources hub here, and so on. By the way, both this link page and this resources hub I built entirely on System.io. I actually made 2 separate videos about these topics and why it's a great idea to have both these pages in your business. I will put the links to those videos in the description below, as well as the links through which you can grab my templates to build your own link page and or your own resources hub. Oh, and speaking of, if you want to check out Submagic to create these amazing captions for your videos, use the code and the link below to get 10% off. Now let me tell you about another place where you can find digital products that you can promote as an affiliate. The System.io marketplace. There are countless products that you can browse through and start promoting. The The fantastic thing is that those products are created by other system.io users, just like me. Remember that link page I just mentioned a minute ago? This is my own product. I created it on system.io and I sell it through my shop that I run on system.io. But at the same time, I also put this product on the system.io marketplace so that others can promote it. Wait, what? We probably have to take a quick step back at this point. As a system.io user, you can run your own affiliate program for all your products if you want. So let's jump back to this overview here. In case 1, you promote system.io and you earn commissions from system.io. In case 2, you promote third-party products by using funnels, websites, landing pages, email campaigns, etc. that you run on system.io. So you use system.io and you earn commissions from all the third-party products. Now for simplicity's sake, let's call this case 3. Even though it's not actually another case of you being an affiliate. That's because now you stand on the other side. You are the merchant who offers your own affiliate program to others so that they can promote your products. You can define your own affiliate commission rates, payout thresholds, payout schedule, and something that is genius, you can even enable a 2-tier affiliate structure. As such, you now let others promote and sell your products, and in return, you pay out affiliate commissions to them. Don't worry, all this is very easy to set up and automate on system.io. On the platform I used in the first 4 years of my business, I would have had to pay $297 a month to run my own affiliate program like I just talked about. On system.io, you can do this on the free plan. Not a free trial, it's a free plan without a time limit. This is one of so many reasons why I decided to switch my entire business to system.io earlier this year. The thing I regret though is that I didn't make this switch sooner. If you want to know why, here is the full story. Earlier in the video, when talking about case 1, I said that we will get back to how you can actually get people onto system.io. As with everything, there are many ways you can do this. Let me show you a few ideas here. One of the simplest and most effective ways is that you create your own funnel templates, landing page templates, website templates, email campaign templates on system.io, and then you give them away for free to your audience. In system.io, you have this amazing feature that allows you to share all your funnels, pages, blogs, email campaigns, etc. And all these share links are your personal affiliate links. So yes, those people who just got your template might now sign up to the free system.io plan first, but remember, they are now your lifetime affiliates. So whenever they upgrade to a paid plan, you will get that commission. Think long term. Another way is to create content around system.io, which is what I'm doing right here, right now. If my videos help you realize that system.io is the tool that you've been waiting for to run your business on, and that you want to start using it right now, then I'll tell you that if you use my link below to sign up to system.io, you'll get a bunch of free bonuses from me on top as a thank you. Another way is to get in touch with local businesses in your area. Browse around on Google Maps. Find small businesses that have no website or only a very basic one that just shows their phone number and nothing else, meaning the website has no functionality at all. Show them that you can help them by building a modern landing page or a fully automated sales funnel for them. Explain to them that they can use system.io to create coupon codes that they can offer to their clients. If you see during your research that a business is already using sales funnels or landing pages with an opt-in form, dig deeper. Right-click on the website and look at the source code of the page. There you will most likely discover the platform name on which this funnel is running. Now, chances are that they are paying hundreds of dollars a month for that platform. Approach them and show them that you can migrate their funnels, landing pages, email marketing automation to system.io, which not only costs a fraction, but even has more features than the platform they are currently using. Which is exactly what I did with my own business, as mentioned earlier. Your opportunities are endless. Remember, you don't sell them system.io. You sell them the solution that reduces their expenses or brings them more leads and more money on autopilot by using a new funnel, a new marketing system built on system.io. And all starts with your system.io affiliate link. As long as these people and businesses now keep using system.io, which will likely be years, you keep earning commissions from system.io. Finally, you can also always run paid ads to your own products or services like the ones I just mentioned to bring more of your clients onto system.io faster. Be creative. The most important takeaway of all this is that as an affiliate marketer, you always have to help people and provide value to them. This brings us full circle to what I said at the beginning. Affiliate marketing is all about trust and building relationships. The more people you help and the bigger the problems or pain points you solve for them, which mostly means saving them a lot of money or time or helping them make a lot more money, the more you will make too. The more people you bring onto systemeio or other products you're an affiliate of, the more money you make. There's not really a limit. Earlier, I briefly mentioned the two-tier affiliate commission structure that you can use in your own affiliate program on systemeio. To understand how you can combine that with all three cases we talked about in this video and turn your own resources hub into your personal gold mine, watch this video next.